in today's trading session.
Okay, all right. Vivek, thank you so much for all those stocks in focus. Let's welcome Himanshu Gupta of Globe Capital for a technical check on the markets. Himanshu, good afternoon. Thanks a lot for joining us. Well, what are the charts suggesting? We've seen a sharp fall from the highs.
Very good afternoon to you. Well, I think before that kind of profit booking seen in the last 30 minutes or so, we have also seen an equally smart amount of buying in the opening trade today after the initial open. And I think the markets have actually retested the important support zone of 18,350 odd levels. And my sense is that for now, the markets have actually formed a near-term base around 18,350, 18,300 odd levels. So I'll be a buyer here after and a dip towards 18,400 should be utilized to go long with a stop loss below 18,350. On the upside, ahead of the event, as you just mentioned, not only from an Indian perspective, but from a global perspective, maybe the markets would like to spend a while before these events pass on within this band of 18,400 to 18,600. But clearly, the way the charts are placed, I think one should be buying the dips close to 18,400. Coming to Nifty Bank, clear outperformer, and today the breakout has been led by the leader, the HDFC Bank. There also, again, I think 14,300, 43,300, 43,700 should be the range for the immediate near term. And again, as long as 43,300 is being held here, I think every dip should be utilized to go long in Nifty Bank as well.
Okay, use the dips to go long. What about individual stocks?
So on individual stocks, first is a buy on the heavyweight HDFC Bank. Very strong breakout given in today's session. I think the stock is heading towards 1700 sooner rather than later. One can initiate long around current levels, keep a stop loss below 1620, and hold it for a targets of 1680 to 1700 for a very near term. And one trading bet on the short side, I think BEL, Bharat Electronics, that's one stock that's actually showing some signs of topping out. And the stock is on the verge of a breakdown. So one can initiate short only from a trading perspective in this counter. Can short BEL futures around current levels of 105. Keep a stop loss above 107. And on the short side, targets close to 198 can be seen in the immediate near term.
Okay, all right, Himanshu, thank you so much for joining us and taking us through your technical picks. With that, we'll slip into a break now. On the other side, we'll be joined by Rajan Sethuraman, who is the CEO of Latent View Analytics, to discuss their business outlook. Stay tuned.